Shall we pronounce the verbs? In the first column, the verbs are in the present. In the middle column, the verbs are in the past. And finally, in the last column, the verbs are in the future.
I am.
I was.
I will be. I have.
I had.
I will have. I do.
I did.
I will do. I go.
I went.
I will go. I say.
I said.
I will say. I make.
I made.
I will make. I know.
I knew.
I will know. I think.
I thought.
I will think. I take.
I took.
I will take. I see.
I saw.
I will see. I come.
I came.
I will come. I want.
I wanted.
I will want. I use.
I used.
I will use. I find.
I found.
I will find. I give.
I gave.
I will give. I tell.
I told.
I will tell. I work.
I worked.
I will work. I call.
I called.
I will call. I try.
I tried.
I will try. I need.
I needed.
I will need. I feel.
I felt.
I will feel. I become.
I became.
I will become. I leave.
I left.
I will leave. I put.
I put.
I will put. I mean.
I meant.
I will mean. I keep.
I kept.
I will keep. I let.
I let.
I will let. I begin.
I began.
I will begin. I seem.
I seemed.
I will seem. I help.
I helped.
I will help. I talk.
I talked.
I will talk. I turn.
I turned.
I will turn. I start.
I started.
I will start. I show.
I showed.
I will show. I hear.
I heard.
I will hear. I play.
I played.
I will play. I run.
I ran.
I will run. I move.
I moved.
I will move. I like.
I liked.
I will like. I live.
I lived.
I will live. I believe.
I believed.
I will believe. I bring.
I brought.
I will bring. I happen.
I happened.
I will happen. I write.
I wrote.
I will write. I sit.
I sat.
I will sit. I stand.
I stood.
I will stand. I lose.
I lost.
I will lose. I pay.
I paid.
I will pay. I meet.
I met.
I will meet. I learn.
I learned.
I will learn.
Good job! You did good listening and practicing. But don't stop here. Watch other videos and keep practicing with us. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. See you later.